Hello my dear students, welcome again in my video lecture of class 8th English grammar. Students, today we are going to read lesson 6 causative verbs have, get, make and let. Student, this is the part 1 of this lesson. So first of all student, what is causative verbs? Students, to know causative verbs, first read the sentence that is given here. The first sentence is, they planted the rose sapling. And in column B, the sentence is written, they got the rose sapling planted. Second sentence, Maya's friend waited for her in the car. Now in the column B, the sentence is written, Maya made her friends wait for her in the car. Third sentence, the students repeated after the teacher. And the sentence in column B is written, the teacher made the student repeat after her. Fourth sentence student, Heather's sisters braided her hair. Students. Now in column B, how it is written? Heather let her sister braid her hair. So student, in the sentence in column A and B differ each other in regard to the person executing the action of planting the rose sapling. In the first sentence, they planted the rose sapling, and here what is written? They got the rose sapling planted. So here in the first sentence, in regard to the person executing the action of the plant sapling is different. Here in first sentence, here in they planted the rose sapling, it means that they themselves planted the rose sapling. But in the second, here in column B, they got the rose sapling planted, it means that the work is not done by they. Now student, in the next one, in the second, in column B, the verb got expresses the subject that they caused somebody else to plant the rose sapling. Now student, in the verb second one, made, had and let, established a casual relationship between the participant in the subject. For example, in the second sentence, there is casual relationship between Maya and her friend. In next sentence, there is casual relationship between teacher and the student. Next sentence, there is casual relationship between Heather and her sister. So student, we got here that these verbs are which verbs? Like got, made, had and let. So these verbs are called what? Causative verb. The definition is given here, students. Causative verb convey that someone causes someone else to perform an action. They help establish a casual relationship between the participants in a sentence. So students, for example, they had the food delivered to them. So here there is casual relationship between they and the food. I will make her speak to her mother about the issue. So here there is casual relationship between I and her. George gets his nephew to purchase the latest music album whenever he goes abroad. So where is the casual relationship? George and his nephew. And what are the verbs that make them the casual relationship? In the first sentence, had, in the second sentence, make, and in the third sentence, get. So here student, had, make and get is causative verbs. So student, causative verbs behave like other main verb and take helping verb also. For example, we should have got. So here have is what? Causative verb, and got is main verb. Next one, the security didn't let him. So didn't is what? Didn't is helping verb and let is main verb. So here we got, student, that causative verbs behave like other main verb and take helping verb too. Now student, there is one exercise is given here. Meera recount a day in her work in the form of diary entry. So underline the task that she had someone else to do. It means that in the sentence where causative verbs are used, these are not done by Meera. So find out the word. I got up very early today and started my daily day with a glass of water. I bathed before waking the kids up. I had Ankit prepare the breakfast. So here Ankit prepared the breakfast. So this is the task that is not done by her. Now we usually get my dad to drop. This is the action is not done by Meera. I had the new intern prepare the presentation. So this is not done by Meera. Now next one, my manager let me take the afternoon off. So here this is not done by Meera. So student, we have got how many sentences? We have got here 5 sentences where Meera has not done the work. Now next exercise, student, underline the causative verb in the following sentence. So in the first sentence here made is the causative verb. In the second sentence, student, got is the causative verb. Third sentence, Joe always makes me buy him food. So here makes is causative verb. Number D, Sachin Tendulkar let the fans take pictures with him. So here let is causative verb. Number E, is she getting her parents to dance for the function? So getting is causative verb. Next one, Garvita must have had her brother pick up her up from the college. So here had is causative verb. Our aunt doesn't let us play in the attic as she says it is too dangerous. So here let is causative verb. The warden let me stay over at my friend. So here let is causative verb. So student, in this exercise we have got that what is causative verb and how it is used in the sentence. Now student, look at these sentences. I had the client take a look at the new apartment. So here what is had? Causative verb. They made her repeat the course due to attendance shortage. So made is what? Causative verb. She doesn't let her niece stay up past her bedtime. So here let is causative verb. Student, here in the first sentence the causative verb had is followed by the agent required to the perform the action. Look at the first sentence. Here I had the client. So here who has done the work? Client has done the work. In the second sentence they made her repeat. So they have not done the work, but her done the work. Now she doesn't let her niece. So here her niece is responsible for doing the work. So student, we have got that when the causative verb have, make and let are followed by the agent required to perform the action, we use bare infinitive. Means we use the infinitive without to. Bare infinitive means infinitive without to. For example, they made me prepare. Here prepare is what? Infinitive without to. The HR team had the newcomers submit. So submit is what here? Bare infinitive. I let her borrow my video game for a week. So what is borrow here? Infinitive without to, means bare infinitive. So student, here what we got? We got here that when the causative verb have, make and let are followed by the agents required to perform the action, we use bare infinitive after the agent. So here what are the agent? Me is the agent. Here the newcomer's agent. Here her is agent, those who have done the work. So after the agent there is bare infinitive. In the first sentence prepare, in the second sentence submit, and in the third sentence borrow. They are bare infinitive, means the infinitive without to. Now student, look at the sentence. Raju had produced gold in the market by other vendor. Second one, Jignesh got the document signed by a notary. Now number third, Tamanna has the food for her events cooked by a professional chef. So student, in the first sentence the causative verb had is followed by the receiver. And what is the receiver here? The produce. Next one, the produce is then followed by the past participle sold. The other sentence student, the other two sentences followed by the same structure. First the receiver document, and then the verb past participle signed. Next one, the food is the, what is food here? Food is the receiver, and then after cooked. What is cooked here? Past participle. So student, we got the rule here that when the causative verb have and get are followed by the receiver of the action, we use past participle after the receiver. So what is the rule we have got students here? We got the rule here that when the causative verb have or get are followed by the receiver. So what is the receiver here? The produce, the document, and the food is the receiver of the receiver in this sentence. Then they followed what? Then they followed the past participle. And what is the past participle in the first sentence? Sold, second sentence signed, and third sentence cooked. So this is the rule we have got. Now some more examples are given here student. She gets her eyes checked. So here her eyes receiver, and then checked past participle. Next one, I have the house receiver, and repainted. Here repainted is past participle. Now Annie got the fish is receiver, and cut and cleaned, it is past participle. So student, we have got the rule here that when the causative verb have or get followed by the receiver of the action, we use past participle. Past participle means verb third form. Student, now look at the sentences. Bittu got his father to take him to the zoo. Come on here. Second sentence, Helena gets her sister to oil her hair. Third sentence, I was made to take my son to the zoo. So in the first and second sentence, the causative verb got and gets are followed by the agent of the required action. Agent of the required action, namely his father and her sister. And these agents are further followed by infinitive to take and to oil. And in the third sentence student, the causative verb made in the passive voice. I was made to take my son to the zoo. So since the agent required, the action becomes subject of the sentence, I in this first case. So causative verb is followed by to infinitive to take. So student, therefore we use to infinitive means full infinitive after the causative verb get when followed by the agent of the required action, and make in passive voice. For example student, some more examples are given here. The children were made to receive. The children were made to receive. Here made is the verb. The children were made to receive. The sentence is in passive, so to receive is what? Full infinitive. Ankita was made to exercise. So again here in passive it is written to exercise is infinitive with to, means full infinitive. Vijayan got the employees. So here this example is written in active voice, and here the agent is employees. And what is the infinitive used here? To contribute. So student, we have got the rule here that when after the agent there is infinitive to is used. When there is agent in the sentence, after the causative verb made and got. Made in passive sentence and got in active sentence. Now student, there is one exercise. Solve the exercise here. Fill in the blanks using the appropriate form of verb given in the bracket. So number 1, student, she got her cousins to get on the trip. Here student, got is used, so according to the last rule we have read, here to get is the correct answer. Does the head nurse let you take leave? Here there will be bare infinitive because the let is used here. Number C, student, I let him play. Again let is used, that's why bare infinitive play. Number D, we had our mother. Agent is here, that's why bare infinitive met is used here. Number E, I will get my friends to contribute. So here student, get is used, that's why full infinitive to contribute is used. Now number 7, Ria's classmate got her. So here her is the agent, that's why infinitive to is used to try out. Number G, I got my band to perform. So student, here again my band is the receiver here, that's why to infinitive is used here. To plus B1 means to perform. Number H, the doctor could not make the patient. Make is used, that's why the bare infinitive is used here, change her mind about the operation. So student, with the help of this exercise we have got that where we have to use full infinitive and where we have to use bare infinitive. So student, thank you for watching the video. In the next part of this video lecture, student, next part of this lesson we will finish the lesson. So keep watching my videos.